Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best MagTiles is probably one of the most versatile and engaging educational toys for kids aged 8 to 12. It seamlessly blends fun learning, fostering creativity, problem-solving skills, and spatial reasoning through colorful magnetic tiles that allow for endless building possibilities, making it an ideal gift for birthdays or holidays. Number 5. PicassoTiles PT60. It's incredibly scalable. Add more pieces to create amazing structures, only limited by your imagination. Let's build something colossal. It's never too early to foster creativity. They'll learn colors, shapes, and even magnetic polarities while having fun. It's perfect for solo play or group fun. Building together creates a wonderful shared experience and a sense of accomplishment. Learning should be an adventure. It's a fun and engaging way for kids to learn, making it a great gift that will last. These magnetic tiles are easy to use and put away. They spark creativity and inspire endless building possibilities. It helps children learn colors, numbers, and problem-solving skills. It's also a great way to teach science concepts like magnetism and gravity. What we like. If you are looking for a brand with a wide variety of styles and sizes to build with, this is a great option. It's also a trusted brand known for its quality and educational value, making it perfect for long-lasting fun and learning. If you want a product that will grow with your child's abilities, this is the one for you. What people say. Magnets are strong and hold well. They are durable and can withstand rough play without breaking. My son has thrown them, they have been stepped on by everyone in the family, and my son likes to build towers and Hulk smash them. We haven't had a single broken piece and have had frequent play for nearly 2 years. Works with other brands. Keeps my 4-year-old busy building and designing new things each time. Good quality because it has fallen from high up onto tile and never broke before, LOL. Great quality and very durable. They are compatible with off-brand too. But unlike off-brand, these don't crack. The kids have so much fun with these and will build creations for hours. My kids range from 1 to 11 and everyone enjoys them. They are a good size to have in your home with babies around. They can't choke on these. Number 4. AFUNX Magnetic Tiles. It's perfect for building all sorts of things, from cars to castles. They're great for individual play or group projects, fostering collaboration and a sense of achievement. These blocks offer endless fun while helping kids develop essential skills. They'll learn about colors, shapes, and design, all while having a blast. The strong magnets make building easy and the structures are super stable. The scratch-resistant design and bright colors will keep them playing for hours. Made from safe, non-toxic materials with smooth edges, these are designed with your child's safety in mind. The magnets are securely attached using advanced technology. It's an ideal gift for birthdays or holidays. These educational and engaging toys will keep kids entertained for hours, and we stand behind our products with exceptional customer service. What we like. If you need extra strong magnetic tiles that won't easily fall apart, this set is for you. With its large number of pieces and versatile designs, it offers endless building possibilities. If your child enjoys creating complex structures, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The transparent design adds an extra dimension to the building process, allowing my kids to create colorful and visually stunning structures. The 3D aspect of these magnetic tiles enhances the overall play experience, encouraging imaginative and open-ended building. The variety of shapes and sizes included in the set provides endless possibilities for creativity. From basic geometric shapes to more intricate designs, these tiles offer a versatile building platform that captivates the attention of both younger and older children. The magnetic connection between the tiles is strong, ensuring stability in the constructions and allowing for taller and more elaborate structures. The AFUNX magnetic tiles are made of high-quality materials, and the magnetic connections are sturdy, ensuring that the structures hold together well during play. With 130 pieces, my kids can build larger and more intricate structures, allowing for group play and collaborative projects. Number 3. Gemmicc MagTiles 100. Introduce your children to the exciting world of Gemmicc magnetic tiles. It's a fun and educational way to spark their imagination and develop their creativity. Made from non-toxic and durable ABS plastic with rounded corners, these tiles are designed for your child's safety. Advanced ultrasonic welding ensures there are no flaws, allowing for worry-free playtime. Get more for your money with Gemmicc. This set includes 98 magnetic tiles, 2 magnetic cars, and an idea book, all without unnecessary extra pieces. We prioritize quality, with each piece carefully checked. These tiles are perfect for classrooms or home use. They help develop fine motor skills, color and shape recognition, and encourage 3D thinking. Watch your child's sense of accomplishment grow as they build amazing creations. Stronger magnets mean taller and larger structures are possible. They are suitable for children aged 3 to 9 years old. Let your child's imagination soar. At Gemmicc, we're dedicated to providing excellent customer service. If you have any issues, contact us. We're here to help and ensure your satisfaction. What we like. If safety and durability are your top priorities, this set is a great choice. It's made from non-toxic materials and comes with many pieces for hours of creative fun. If you're looking for a high-quality, educational toy that will last, this is it. What people say. Huge variety of pieces including a car train piece with wheels. They play with them all day every day and always excited when they get more as gifts because they can make bigger and better creations. The magnets are strong, and my granddaughter loves them. Number 2. FNJO Magnetic Tiles. Introducing FNJO Magnetic Tiles, a fantastic building set for kids. It's packed with 100 colorful pieces to inspire endless building fun. These tiles are made from high-quality, safe plastic with smooth edges. They're ASTM approved, so you can rest assured they're perfect for your child's playtime. With 94 basic shapes, car bases, and click-ins, they offer tons of possibilities. The included idea book will spark your imagination. It's more than just a toy, it's an educational tool. They help kids develop construction, color recognition, and sorting skills. From simple 2D shapes to complex 3D structures, the possibilities are endless. Build castles, houses, or anything you can imagine. They're great for individual or group play. Spend quality time with your kids, building together and creating amazing things. Looking for a gift that combines fun and learning? These magnetic tiles are perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. What we like. If you're looking for a large set with a great value, this is a perfect option. It's packed with educational features and makes a wonderful gift for any occasion. If you want a fun and engaging way to keep kids entertained and learning, this is the one. What people say. It holds together well. They can make so many things with it. It has wheeled parts so cars, trucks and trains can be made. My kids have made robots and houses. It is limitless. Many ways to put together. Uses imagination as well as picture ideas that can be challenging and fun. Great quality, and we got an amazing deal on the set. Great for all ages. We started buying these when my youngest was a toddler and she is 7. Even our 12-year-old and 15-year-old love to help the younger kids build. Number 1. PicassoTiles Marble Run. It promotes problem-solving skills, hand-eye coordination, and improves fine motor skills through playful learning. The magnetic tiles make construction easy and fun, letting kids create their own masterpieces using physics and their imaginations. With 9 different shapes, it allows for multi-layer designs. It's scalable, so you can build as big as you want by adding more pieces or combining it with other sets. There are no limits to your creativity. It encourages STEM learning in a fun and engaging way, making it a perfect educational gift. It's suitable for boys and girls of all learning levels and is great for preschool, group activities, or classroom teamwork. Children aged 3 and up will develop creativity and STEM skills through visual learning. It helps them learn about colors, 3D forms, shapes, and even magnetic polarities. Additional sets offer even more learning opportunities. It combines science, technology, engineering, art, and math all in one. It brings out the best in children by encouraging artistic creativity and advanced thinking. It's made with child-safe, non-toxic materials for peace of mind. What we like. If your child loves marble runs and building, this set combines both. It offers endless possibilities for creative designs and promotes STEM learning through play. If you want a unique and engaging building toy, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The Marble Run is a great addition. Really gives you a lot to work with, make your own path. Great for kids to learn to plan. Strong magnets. Quality material. Has held up well over the last several months of my toddler throwing them, crashing them to the floor, and stepping on them. Strong magnets and allows you to build lots of different creations. Tons of fun. We are 2 weeks into our homeschool, and this Marble Run set has been a favorite activity so far with my kids, ages 10, 7, and the 13-year-old even enjoys designing along with her siblings at times. I have really enjoyed watching them learn about engineering and physics along the way as they design the Marble Run and make adjustments to get the balls all the way to the end. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.